been a long time, shouldn't have left you. Y'all know the lyrics. We got something to show y'all. We can't really, okay. We gonna go this way. Where we at?
The bridge.
Yeah. We haven't closed yet, y'all, but we just coming to check in, see what's popping. You got the key? See what's popping, see what's going on. You see, they still got some work to do.
Wow, that's that new house now.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my new house.
Okay, you want to talk to the people?
Yeah, that's
From
good.
Florida to Virginia.
Downstairs.
Oh man, I don't know if you want him to walk though. Okay, y'all. Y'all see the new crib? Alright, look y'all. It's been crazy, but we moved back to Virginia. We haven't closed on a house just yet. We are gonna give you a little tour of the house. Before, like the official tour, this is probably gonna be like a quick, version of it. You know what I'm saying? Then when we close, we're gonna give y'all the experience, right? The experience.
Period.
But you know what to do, cause you on fire.
We are in our dining room. I'm thinking a little table situation. Derek wants to have 2 living rooms.
Yeah. I mean, because you never really use a dining room, to be honest. Just relax, son. So yeah, this is the dining room area. I do want this to be like another living room because in our last house, we never used the dining room. Like
Because
we
had a breakfast area.
I feel it. So I figure we can do like a transforming thing. Like it could be a sitting area. We can transform it to like a dining area when we have people come here and sit on the island to eat because it's just us 3. But
I don't see the point in having 4, 5 Okay, so let's just not talk. So this is our dining room area. It's a lot of space, so I don't really know
it's a lot of space, yeah.
to do with all these little nooks and...
We can mix it up. We can make it a living slash, because this could be a sitting area, right?
Yes.
You feel me?
Okay, pantry. For all of Ace's snacks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. This is just Ace's snacks?
Yeah. Ace's snacks on the bottom too.
Okay.
Cute little privacy for your toilet for people that like to come in the bathroom while you use the bathroom.
Yeah. I'm not gonna hold you though. It's a whole lot of bathrooms in here, man. But we completely skipped the kitchen though.
Oh, we got our kitchen. We got our cute backsplash. It's my first time having a backsplash.
Yeah.
We tried, in our first house, we tried to, not our first home, but our first house together, we tried to do a DIY backsplash. So I'm glad that we don't have to DIY anything. And we have a gas range. Can make my pancakes. I've been wanting a gas stove since before Jesus was born.
I'm weak, but we don't have to get too detailed because this is just like the quick rundown.
Yeah.
But it's the kitchen. It's the
It's
kitchen area, y'all. Okay, these the floors. Okay.
The light this up.
This right here is the living room.
The living room.
The living room. She's saying this, but I might be sitting here though this time.
This is where the sofas will be.
Exactly.
In the dining room.
Exactly. Right. 85 inch. Y'all know the vibes. The big TV gotta go here. There's a lot of room. And there's a lot we can do with this space. It's gonna be crazy and it's really, really big. Let me actually stand on this corner right here to show you guys.
Light back off.
If you want. Yeah. So then we got what? This is the balcony area. This is balcony number 1, by the way. Or the other one ain't really a balcony.
They said it's a terrace.
Okay, but this is a balcony or a terrace?
Balcony.
Okay, all right. Y'all, this is a little foreign to me. It's locked. That's the balcony. Real nice vibe. All right, let's go upstairs, y'all. Got to change the Honeywell, but we'll get there. All right, carpet going up the stairs. Y'all know how we are with the light carpet. This is what we do. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Resolve family because, yeah. Okay, this is Ace's bathroom slash the guest bathroom. Okay.
Let's just go all the way up first.
Okay, let's just go all the way up. This is we're on floor number 3 right now. We're going up to floor number 4.
rooftop.
This probably gonna be probably my favorite spot.
Said this is our rooftop.
This the rooftop, he said. This the 4th level.
Rooftop engine.
No, that's the attic.
Attic.
No, that's the engine.
That's the attic. Oh. It's the rooftop terrace. I will come outside here. Okay.
I already see it way down there.
Come
Now,
on, y'all.
this is where the true magic is gonna happen, okay? So if you are ever lucky enough to get invited to the weddings, this is where all the functions will be taking place. This is where we will host our jacuzzi
Uh-oh.
movie. I don't know. This is gonna be the vibe. This is gonna be the chill spot, real cozy and real vibey.
Yeah, it's gonna be a nice little vibe over here, all right?
They gonna kick us out before we even get in.
Yeah. All right. Again, full bathroom on the 4th floor. Crazy. Okay.
This may be like the guest bathroom, whereas the bathroom in the hallway downstairs will be solely Ace's bathroom.
But check this out, though. We didn't even go down to the other side of
Yeah,
the
and that's gonna
basement.
be my bathroom.
Hey, let me say this. Let me say this real quick. Folks be having plans, and I don't even be included in the plan. They just decide what they want to do. You know what I'm saying? We got to figure this out. This is probably the biggest closet in the whole house. Like this right here is crazy.
Yeah.
Nah, for real. Look how long this closet is, y'all. Look at this. Look at this.
Why is not opening?
Look where Zayna at. Look. Let me go right here. Now this is a vibe, okay? And she talking about Ace toys going in here. That's crazy.
No, I'm saying like those things can go over there. Where else would they go?
I feel it. Hey, stop. Let's go back downstairs, man. So now we're going back downstairs. Show you guys the vibes over here. We are on the 3rd floor. Okay. This is the linen closet. Much bigger than our closet in Florida. Because Florida, we had blankets and towels and stuff. Yeah, we had stuff everywhere. So this is going to be real nice.
My playroom.
Son, we ain't got no playroom. We ain't got no playroom because you never was in the playroom.
This is Ace's room.
Never had a stackable washer. So this is gonna be interesting. So we gotta find some cool ones. Something that'll do the job. We've been looking and they all cost a bag. So we gotta figure that out.
No, keep those there. They need that on the floor.
What room is this?
Guest room.
Okay.
This is my playroom.
This is the guest room, like Zayna said.
This is gonna be my playroom.
Okay. All right. Nice walk-in closet that might be taken by Zayna. She got a lot of stuff, you know.
Okay, I will be right back.
Let me see. Let me look at this. Maybe it might work. But I don't really want a closet with people. Oh no.
Sorry.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah, people gonna be everywhere. You can't just.
That's not gonna work.
This is Ace's room. Might as well be a closet. It's a little snug in here, y'all, but you know that's what happens when you
All the
downsize.
ladybugs, aren't we lucky?
Very lucky. That's just a dent.
They need to get that out of here, though.
Nah, but this is nice. His closet is similar to the one in Florida, maybe a little smaller.
Yeah, that's a bit smaller than the floor. Hey, so this is gonna be your bedroom.
This is crazy,
This is
y'all.
where you'll sleep.
Come on now. Let me explain that. Let me explain this too. We just giving y'all a quick rundown. We not explaining nothing. We just showing y'all what the Lord has blessed us in this season. Okay, so let me keep going. All right. This is what's this room, babe? You gotta explain this.
It's the master of all masters.
This is the master of all masters. Okay. All right. So this is our master room here. All right. Again, I'm gonna address something too when we finish doing this.
I see another something.
The bathroom.
This little empty house tour, part 1. This is the closet. Crazy, okay? This is probably it's a little smaller version size of Zayna closet, but now we have to condense all of our clothes into one.
No, we do not. We're not doing that. So either you take this closet.
Y'all already know who the spoiled person is, cause how's she not gonna look how big this closet is?
Share a closet when there's 50 closets. That don't make sense.
Oh my
You want to
God.
share a closet with me?
Yeah, why not? First time ever. Okay, you can have that closet, and I'm taking one of the rooms, and I'm gonna make that my closet. The one of the guest room. That's fine.
That's what I'm.
This is the bathroom, y'all. Okay. Alright. This is the shower, y'all. Okay. Real nice. Little sitting area. Sometimes folks get, you get tired in the shower. You just want to sit down. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? This is real dope. We like this. I'm all for the trim shower, because the trimless shower we had, Yeah.
There's enough room for both of us.
All three of us, because, you know, Ace like to be here.
Yeah, did you put your butt on that toilet, or did you just have to
You
pee?
say you had to pee.
Okay.
You okay? Let's fix your pants. And your shirt. You okay?
This is my jersey.
Okay, cool. Did we show everything in here? I think we did, but let me explain this. We can't just get super deep in the details. Just know we back in the DMV area, and we did purchase a townhome. Our townhome is more expensive than our home. We're just gonna put it like that, you know what I'm saying? And it's really because of the area that we in, which is why it's more expensive. So even though we did downsize, this is an amazing place.
I
don't even feel like it's downsized for real because
we don't have enough furniture. There's too many living rooms.
we got a lot of living rooms. Oh, we didn't show y'all one place, so we got to go back to the first floor to show y'all the other side.
Okay, come on, let's go
But
downstairs.
there's more living spaces in this house than it is in the house in Florida. There's more living rooms. We don't have enough furniture, like Zayna said. I don't even think we have enough TVs. I thought she was gonna say no. All right, so we're gonna get into this, man. But I'm telling y'all,
get up. Those are good jeans.
it's crazy. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Again, this is a quick, 1-2-1-2 punch. We ain't even tell you like what this is made out of. I don't know. We gonna find all that out. We gonna let you know. Okay. We ain't got no smart devices yet. We'll get you hip to that, Ace. We good. We about to go all the way downstairs. All right.
Oh, this is set up for my Christmas tree.
Oh, they smart. They ain't get us hip on that one. Okay. I wonder how many of those we got around here. All right, let's take y'all back down to the first floor. All right, chill. That's the front door. We going on this side, y'all. All right. This is one of the last times we're gonna have shoes in the house. This right here is like, I don't even know what this is, but this is supposed to be my desk area right here.
It's bigger. It's wider than what I was.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger. Let me stand back here real quick. Yeah, so you see that? You are thinking. We haven't really all the way figured it out yet.
There. Now you lying. He's lying.
She want to give you all the juice right now.
That's a lie.
While we out here just brainstorming, figuring it out. So yeah, so this is the basement. I mean, I don't know, walk-in basement area. Real nice. Look at this, y'all. Bathrooms for days, okay? Bathrooms for days. All right, so another full bathroom. This is another closet in here.
Yeah, I thought this would be a nice space for your shoes.
We can put coats. I'm not putting my shoes down here. We can put, you're right. I should put my shoes down here.
Yeah, I think you should really make this your space.
Great.
Okay,
let's brainstorm. Yeah, because we everywhere right now. What's this? This come with it? This we automatically get one?
Yeah, but she said it's wired for it.
It's wired for it. All right, so this is the garage area. I am definitely concerned about this because the Cybertruck is definitely not going to fit in this joint right here. But this is the garage area. The Tesla will fit in here, but
do they paint this or it comes like this?
it comes just like this. We gotta paint it. We gonna get crazy in here. We gonna epoxy
and paint it black.
We need to have the little string lights, like how at the car dealerships we having. It look crazy in here, right? Okay, we got some plans. See, we agreed on something, y'all. So yeah, and this is our backyard. All right, just as big as our house in Florida. It's like, nah. I will tell y'all this. I still ain't cutting the grass. We gonna have somebody come up here and do it for like $20. You know what I'm saying? $40 a cut. I mean, $20 a cut. $40 a month. That sounds good with me. You do the weeding. You do the fertilizer. You do everything over here until we do the artificial grass. The artificial grass is definitely, this is what I was looking for. Okay, so it's in the basement. I don't know how they're gonna run this. It's a lot of space. I need to use the restroom. So I'm gonna give this camera to you. Ace, please come down so mommy can hold the camera, okay?
There.
kids, man. Kids, gotta love them. All right? Yeah, so look, we appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that post notification on because we just got...
Daddy, don't.
We just got...
Don't record. It's going to die.
We just got crazy vibes coming. Like,
I charged it.
it's a whole thing, right? It's a whole thing. We're gonna be doing a whole lot in here, okay? Zayna got the plans. Sorry, I'm just ignoring Ace because he's
Let
just
him
doing
hold
too
it,
much.
please. Okay, say what you gotta say.
So, let's see here. We'll look outside. Oh, we'll look outside. Outside. Okay, that look cute. Let's stay here for subscribe. Bye.
All right, y'all. Well, we're out of here. We hope you enjoy our quick empty house walkthrough. If you've seen our first one, you need to go check out our first one. We have, what you say? We've improved in our approach when it comes to giving house tours. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I mean, with Ace, you know, Ace add a little touch to it. Is she gonna come back and lock this?
I guess we can lock it.
How we gonna lock it? We don't got the key.
I think they come and lock it. What are you doing?
Yeah. We gonna show y'all the house, man. We just... I don't think we can. You see Zayna shaking her head like, nah, bro, we can't show you. Cause people be trying to find out where you live, right? That's our crib, man. Just to show y'all that much, all right? It is up there. I saw it, but I was like, maybe I could blur it out. I don't know.
Put your seatbelt on, baby.
All right, man. Okay, we out of here. We gotta go to the storage unit, but look, we appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn that post notification on, and just know it's a vibe for sure. Okay. Send this to your mommy and daddy, your sister, your mommy, your cousin, your mom, your sister, your grandpa, your auntie,
Say it, right?
Send this to you know, it's alright, we'll see.
What bad guy toy?
It's just a lot.
I got from the store.
Another banger.
Waitup's insight is coming with that heat.
Yeah, it